Hey guys, welcome back. So everyone including us are interested about Realme's upcoming tablet called Realme Pad, and although there is no official release date, its arrival does not seem to be far away. Recently it was discovered at IMDA and EEC certification site, so we guess that Realme Pad will arrive in the coming weeks. Now the specifications I'm gonna tell you cannot be construed as final because they are based on previous reports, and if you have heard them then you can skip this video. So as per reports, the Realme Pad measures at 246.1 by 155.8 by 6.8mm, and thanks to OnLeaks and 91 Mobiles for presenting us with the renders, we now know how this tablet looks. Both the front and the back of the tablet has a single camera, and the design looks very thin and light. There is a USB Type-C interface at the bottom and a round hole that may be a stylus slot or a 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, there are 4 speakers. When it comes to display, it houses a 10.4-inch screen which we believe to be an IPS LCD panel. Yeah, this will be a mid-range tablet, so don't expect too much. It's said to be equipped with Snapdragon 768G processor, which again is a pretty decent chip for powering a tablet. The base model of the tablet may offer users 6GB of RAM and 64GB of native storage. Rumors has it that the tablet may arrive in Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus LTE editions. Coming to the battery, it's not much. It's said to be built around 7100 mAh. Now the reason why I said it's not much cause certain Android phones have 7000 mAh battery, and this being a tablet should at least get 8000 mAh. Anyways, this might change, nothing is guaranteed, but for now I will say it's not much. For photography, it may feature autofocus enabled 8MP rear camera, whereas its front camera may house an 8MP lens as well, but it will be a fixed focus lens. These cameras will be like any other cameras that you find in the tablets. The Realme Pad is expected to arrive with an aluminum chassis, and its leaked renders have revealed that it could be available in colors like gold and grey. The price? Well, we have no idea, so we will leave that to you. Comment what do you think the price could be depending on the specs. Anyways, we are at the end of this video. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.